And once again, the beauty of markets have been proven. See, two analysis I shared for gold yesterday. In the morning analysis, I asked you to buy above 1635, and in the evening analysis, I asked you to sell below 1635. In both the cases, we profited, and I hope you all profited too. Likewise, for silver, we asked you to buy at 1860, and the target was 1880. Precisely from those levels, we again sold, and we have achieved 1830 levels. Now what can be expected today till I come up with my next analysis? We'll see with the help of charts and indicators. Yes, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now these are the hourly charts. On the hourly charts you can find out that yes, first base here at 1620-21 levels. Now it is trying to create second base at around 1625 levels, and yes, if it breaks 1625, certainly we can have another round of drop. At the same time, one must not forget that only buy position today is above 1630, then also it will get a stronger resistance at around 1634-35, and beyond that we may see it flying for 1640. Now look at this, what it is trying to create. It is also trying to create lower highs. I told you in the analysis, first high was this at around 1647-48, now then 1640-42, and then now it is trying to drop further. So this is still trying to trade bearish. It is still trying to trade in this channel. The bottom of this channel is below 1620 levels. So yes, if it draws below 1625, you can still expect it to drop for 1622, 1618, 1615 and below levels. The hourly chart says directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking downwards, and the MACD is bearish too, and the RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see consolidation, break, retracement, lower lows, lower highs. Now it is again looking forward to possibly achieve lower lows which are situated at around 1615, 1612 levels possibly. So yes, once you see it trading below 1625, you can sell there, but expect 1622 as a support, and below 1622 you can still expect it to drop further. Then the next target is 1618, 1612 levels. Also look at the 2-hour charts. The resistance there at 1630 levels and 1632 levels is strong. Yes, you can buy there at 1630. Expect 1634, 135 levels to provide it a resistance, and beyond that we may see it flying high. Till the time it trades below 1630, do not buy anything. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. What it will try to do, it will give you a red candle there, it crossover, make it crossover, and then on a stochastic it may try to consolidate a bit. So it is an indication that gold is trying to trade bearish. RSI is looking downwards. On the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, 3 candles consistently lower highs, and see one greener candle and the follow-up red candle. So this is the beginning of the bearishness here. Possibly it may try to take it till towards 1622-24 zone, and once it breaks below this, you can expect another round of red candle which might take it further down towards 1618, 1615 levels. On the upside, breaking beyond 1630, definitely you can buy there. Directional movement is bearish on the 3-hour charts. Stochastic is oversold here on the 3-hour charts. The MACD is again willing to converge and crossover for a sell entry. Let's see if it does. RSI is looking downward. So see, on MACD it is still not indicative of bearishness. Yes, it is still willing to converge, but it has not yet crossed over. Also remember, the stochastic is oversold. The possibility of a bounce back is there, and maybe achieving the lows there at 1620-22, it can try to bounce back. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here is the reversal. Then it is trying to complete this journey, may try to achieve the bottom, may try to form a double bottom and bounce back. So if you see it bouncing back from this double bottom levels, possibly there is a chance of a reversal there. So yes, below 1625, expect it to drop for 1621-22. In fact, this time it can try to take it a little below and achieve 1618, 1615 levels. From there a bounce back is possible. Now as I said, it is trying to trade in this channel, which is a bearish channel. Lower highs, lower lows. The support there this time is going to be at around 1615 levels. So yes, you can sell there at 1625. Expect 1620-22 zone to provide a support. Then 1618 and 1615 levels will come into picture. Only buy position is today is above 1630 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again crossing over for a sell. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. Previous candle has a strong wick and this time it is trying to take it down. Possibly it may continue with the bearish momentum. We may see lower lows. It can try to achieve 1618, 1615 levels. So yes, that is where you can remain short, but be cautious of first, that is 1620 to 20 zone, and then 1618, 1615 levels. So yes, it can achieve these levels. And now look at this move here from 1645 to 1627 levels, 28 levels, almost $18 there, and a tail there almost of $8. So total movement is almost $25. And if you count $25 from 1630, it makes it around 1605 levels. Possibility exists that it can give you sharper drop. So yes, one can sell below 1625, but then you have to trade with caution till 1620, 22 zone first, and then 16, 15, 18 zone. It can bounce back from those levels. At the same time, if you see it rising above 1630, you can buy there again, and then you can expect 1635, 38, 40 levels. The stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. Possibility of a bounce back exists. The MACD is divergent, the MACD is bearish, RSI is oversold. Considering buy above 1630, sell below 1625. If you are short below 1625, you have to be very alert till 1620, 22 zone. Very strong support. Maybe it form a double bottom and bounce back because indicators on the daily charts are oversold. So it can try to show you a bounce back achieving 16, 22, 20 levels again below 16. And hence today till the time and below 1620 levels, you can expect 1618 and 1615 as a support. Till 1615 you have to trade with a trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit. Below 1615 you can expect another round of drop. 1608, 1605 levels can be achieved. So trade accordingly. On the upside, buy above 1630. Expect 1635, 38 levels to get achieved, and in fact 1640, which is a very strong resistance. Beyond 1640 we may see it flying. So do not trade between 1625 and 30. That is the call. On the downside till 1615 you have to be cautious, as it might reverse. So this is all for gold. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries and the right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting on 3rd of October. Only couple of seats left. Reach out to me for details. Seats are filling fast. Only I think maybe it might close in today or tomorrow. So just reach out to me if you want to join this batch. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group and a patron page. Both links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. Trading below 1840 is strong support, and then the next strong support at 1830. Below that it will directly lend to 1820 levels, and below 1820 certainly 1800 levels can be expected. Now see on the hourly charts, it is trying to give you a good break. Sustaining below 1830, definitely you can expect a good drop. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading at bottom. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is also trading at bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see on the 2-hour charts, suddenly beyond 1850 it is now trying to accelerate the drop here. Possibly on the downside the sky is open, but yes, you can sell at 1830. Expect 1820 as a good support, and then it might try to drop till towards 1800 levels. On the upside, only buy position is above 1840. Then 1845, 50 levels should be the resistance, and then 1860 will be seen. Be cautious there till 1860 and 1880 levels. Stronger resistance there. See silver, drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and now drop. Now again trying to continue with the bearish momentum. Sell below 1830. Expect 1820, 1800 levels to get achieved. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. Be cautious and alert. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell position here on the 2-hour charts. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, look at the 3-hour charts there. See lower highs, lower lows, and hence 1840 is the level where you can buy there, and below 1830 you can sell, but expect 1826, 1825 as a support, 1820 as a support, and below that you can expect 1820 will come into picture. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 3-hour charts. We may see a bounce back, but let's see how far it can take. The MACD is divergent and it is bearish. See, it is increasing the body size there, possibly increasing the bearish momentum. The stochastic RSI is also looking downwards, indicating bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, see previous two candles, higher lows were seen, and see the body size. This time it is trying to break out, and breakout indicates possibly we may see it sustaining the bearish momentum. 1820 definitely should be a good support, and below that also it can continue to drop till towards 1800 levels. Stay alert, stay cautious. See the classical movement here: drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So yes, it is trying to trade in this channel, and on this channel 1810 levels may also provide a support, and then 1800 will come into picture. So sell at 1830, expect it to drop for 1825, 1820, 1810 and 1800. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is entering into oversold zone. MACD diverging again and it is bearish. RSI is looking downwards here and acting bearish. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts too, on the daily charts you will find that, see, this is creating higher lows, and this time it is trying to breeze this out, sustaining below 1830. Definitely you can expect 1825, 20 levels. 20 is a very good support, and below that we may see 1810, 1800. Till 1800 is fine. Below that you can also expect further sharper drop. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has crossed over. It is divergent and bearish, and RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, sell at 1830, buy at 1840. Do not trade for 1830 and 1840 levels. In fact, below 1830, expect 1825, 20 next targets. Below 1820, 1810 and 1800 are the next targets. Below 1800, 1780, 1760 levels can be seen. See, these are markets. Any movement, if it can rise 5% a day, it can also drop 5% a day. You have to be cautious. You have to always trade with a trailing stop loss. On the upside, buy at 1840. 1845, 1850, 1850 now very strong resistance, and beyond 1850 you can expect 1860 and 1870, 1880 levels. Be cautious till 1880. I don't see it rising till there, but yes, these are markets, anything is possible. So trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my Telegram channel, join my mentorship batch, reach out to me for more details. Thank you.